Hello, knee-high kids. My name is Ms. Porter, and today's lesson we're going to speak about phonics. So I have two friends here. This is Leo and Marcus, and they are going to speak along with us. Now, when I do this, that means you repeat after me, and I'm going to listen for what I said to you. And if you do all of your phonics right, you're going to get a reward, a cupcake. Okay? And oh, I forgot my other friend. This is Charlie Brown. So he's going to visit along with us as well. Okay, so let's get started. Our first word starts with the letter B, and it sounds like this. Boy. Can you say boy? B. Very good. Our next word is ball. Can you say ball? B. Good job. The next word is bug. Can you say bug? B. Bug. Good job. The next word is bat. Can you say bat? B. Terrific. Our last word is black. Can you say black? B. I'm so proud of you. You get a 2 thumbs up and you get a cupcake. Good job, friends. High five. Boop. I am so proud of you. Until next time, bye-bye. So remember, you have to practice. The more you practice, the easier it will become. Now, let's put this top back on this marker so it doesn't dry out. All right, now, let's sing a song. Bzzz. I got my bee. Pete and friends, you have your bee? Catch your bee in your hand. I'm bringing home my baby Bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home my baby Bumblebee. Ew, gross. What a mess. I'm washing off the baby Bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm washing off the baby Bumblebee. All clean. And make sure you use soap and warm water when you're washing off that bumblebee. And please don't catch a real one. It will sting. But that's a fun song. Okay, now, since you did so good today, let's do a toy unboxing. Are you ready for a toy unboxing? Today's toy is Mr. Potato Head. Okay, let's open him up. And I have my trusty scissors. Let me get my trusty scissors. Oh, I don't think I need them. I won't need them. Boy, he came out like a piece of cake. So this is Mr. Potato Head by Preschool. This is Mr. Potato Head. Now with Mr. Potato Head, let's take his whole body apart. And then we're going to recreate him again. I'm going to pull everything off. Just like that. Give his hat. his legs. Pull the arms out. Oh, he has an extra, I guess that's the tongue. Yeah, it's the tongue. Okay, now, so we have a plain potato head. Now let's put them back together. Sure we got everything out of there. Yep, did we? No, we did not. We didn't get out the glasses. Okay, now we have everything out. So we have a potato. Now let's make it a Mr. Potato Head. We're going to start with the legs. Let's put the legs on. Then we're going to put on some eyes. And then we're going to put on, let's do the mustache for his nose. And then we're going to stick some ears on. And then we're going to put his hands and arms on. Get in there. Just like that. All right, let's fix those ears. And then we're going to put on a hat. Like that. And I'm going to put some glasses on. Because Miss Porter wears glasses from time to time. And now his mouth. And there you go, Mr. Potato Head. He's now a Mr. again. This was so much fun. And we're not sponsoring this toy, but if you do want to get this toy, we got this at our local Walmart. Okay? So this was a lot of fun for your parents. It helps them learn face distinction and body parts too. So this is a very good learning game as well. Now, boys and girls, let's learn some words. Mr. Potato Head, would you like to learn some words? Your glasses are a little crooked and so is your hat. So he's going to sit to the side and he wants to learn some words with us. Okay, now, what is this word? What is this a picture of? And then we're going to spell the word out. It goes quack, quack. This is a duck. Duck. So let's spell that out. Okay, start with a D, then U, C, K. Duck. Okay, now let's turn it over. And what is this? Roof, roof. This is a dog. Very good. Let's spell it out. D O G. Dog. Very good. Good job, Pete and friends. Now, let's spell another word. What is this? Comes all the way out at night. Starts with an M. It's the moon. Let's spell that. M O O N. Moon. Very good. Now, let's turn it over. This is something we wear on top of our heads. Starts with an H. It's a hat. Okay, let's spell it out. H A and T. Hat. Very good. We are so proud of you. You've done an excellent job with listening and learning, and we ask that you come back and join us for more Circle Time Kids Club. Until next time, bye-bye. Wave goodbye, Pete and friends.